Hello friends, today is our third lecture of our course ETAP, which is totally free. You have to not pay anything about this course. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about creating new project in ETAP. I consider you all have installed the ETAP software in your PCs or a system. Before starting the today's lecture, I have a small request for you. Please subscribe the channel, like and share the video on your social media profiles. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, or you can ask in a WhatsApp group or a Telegram group. The link of that groups are given in the description. From there, you can join our WhatsApp group and Telegram group. Let us start today's lecture. This is our system window, and you can see here is a ETAP 1.0.1. On double clicking this icon, you will get this window. This is the first window which will when you open the ETAP software, and you will get this window. From here you can see this is a file option. On going to the file, there is a new project. On clicking the new project, you will see there is a create new project file. Here is the project name. You can type any name, whatever. I can type here test. This will show you the location where your project file gets saved. You can change here by according to your suitable location. Then there is a unit system. In the unit system, there are two systems. One is English system and another is the metric system. English system is used generally in European countries where the frequency is 60 hertz. And metric system is used in Asia where the frequency is 50 hertz. Then if you want to save the project file with password, then you have to tick this button, or if you do not want to use the password, then you have to keep it as it is. This is a ODBC location, and after clicking the OK button, actually my project file already this project file has in my system. We can replace this project file. Then you will get this information window. Here you have to see this is the username. You can change your username. If you want to change the username, you can change the username. Then is the full name of the employee, email address of that employee, and description of about this employee. And after clicking the OK button, you get the select the access level. There are different access levels in ETAP: administrator, project master, editor, base editor, revision editor, checker, browser, librarian, controller, and operator. When you click this, generally the project master editor is by default selected, and when you click the OK button, you will get this window. This is the window where you can start working, where you can create your SLDs and other things. Now I will first look what are the different access levels which are in ETAP, what are their roles and what are their permissions, what can they do. The different access levels in ETAP are administrator, second is project master and editor or a project manager, third is a base editor, and fourth is a revision editor, and fifth is a checker, and sixth is a browser, and seventh is librarian, and eighth is controller, and ninth is operator. Now we can see these permission. What are the permission of the different access levels one by one? What are the role and permissions of administrator? He can access any project file for administrative purpose but are not permitted to edit the projects. That means he cannot make changes to the project content. Administrator can perform a high-level maintenance of projects hosted on the NetPM, that is Network Project Modeling and Management Server. They are responsible for activating the server, issuing registration tokens, managing server configurations. Administrator can install and configure ETAP DXM, that is Data Exchange Manager, which is necessary for communication between ETAP desktop applications and ETAP app mobile devices. He ensures that DXM can communicate with the ETAP machines outside the corporate LAN and is hosted appropriately for security. The administrator role is important for the secure and efficient management of ETAP software, ensuring that the right users have the appropriate access to the tools and data they needed. What are the role and permission as project master or a project master and editor? In ETAP software, the project master and editor access level are combined into one role known as the project manager. This role encompasses the capabilities of both the project editor and the administrative access levels. He can create new projects in ETAP. They have the ability to modify existing projects, including adding and removing elements such as buses, branches, loads, generators, and release. He has the authority to register projects to NetPM, that is Network Project Modeling and Management for collaborative work. He can perform all types of electrical analysis available in ETAP, such as load flow, short circuit, transient stability, relay coordination, and more. He can evaluate the system performance and recommend improvements. He should ensure that all the team members have access to the latest project information. What are the roles of permissions of a base editor? Base editor access level in ETAP allow users to view, modify the project data such as electrical components and their properties. This level of access permits users to create, edit, and delete objects within the project. He can allow users to generate reports and perform basic analysis tasks within the software. He can allow the users to access the basic features for modeling and simulation of the electrical systems. What are the roles and permissions of revision editor? Revision editor are not allowed to create new projects. He can view and edit project data. He can modify existing data such as electrical components, connections, and system configurations. What are the role or permissions of a checker? In ETAP, the checker access level has the specific permissions within the software. He can open and review projects, run simulations, check for errors or inconsistencies. However, they might not be able to make changes to the project's design or configuration. What are the roles and permissions of a browser? The user with the browser level of access can view project data, including diagrams, reports, and system configurations, analyze data and perform calculations within the constraints of their access level, generate reports and export data for the further analysis or sharing, access predefined views and templates for common analysis tasks, collaborate with other users by sharing information and reports. However, they are generally cannot perform actions such as creating, modifying, and deleting project diagrams, equipment configuration, or system settings. What are the roles and permissions of a librarian? In ETAP, the librarian access level typically grants permissions related to managing the library of the electrical components, such as adding new projects to the library, editing existing component informations, organizing components into categories or folders, deleting or archiving components when necessary, reviewing and approving changes made by lower levels users such as contributors or users. These permissions allow librarians to maintain the quality integrity of the library, ensuring that the users have access to the accurate and up-to-date electrical components for their design and analysis. What are the roles or permissions of the controller? The controller access level in ETAP is typically associated with the ability to manage and control various aspects of the power system within the software, while the specific permissions can vary based on their organizational setup. Generally, a controller might have permissions to manage and execute control commands within the system, monitor system performance and operational data, adjust settings to maintain system stability and efficiency, implement control strategies for optimal system operation. Controllers play an important role in ensuring that the power system operates within the desired parameters and complies with the grid codes and standards. What are the roles and permissions as an operator? In any tab, operators have the following permissions. Operators can open and view projects. They can monitor system performance and operational data. Operators can execute control commands within the system. They can adjust settings to maintain system stability and efficiency. Operators play an important role in implementing control strategies for optimal system operation. Now the access levels of a ETAP has all discussed. In the next lecture, we'll go for the creating of a single line diagram in the ETAP.